Hello, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I've got another recipe for you made with Oreos out of the microwave. It's like a little cake with Oreo flavor. Yeah, it's really nice. I'll show you how to make it. So we need 4 spoons of cream cheese, 1 egg, 2.5 spoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of creme fraiche. I've got a little bit of lemon and obviously Oreos. Right, we've got 2 mugs. It's a recipe for 2 mugs. So we've got 2 mugs and a measuring cup. So we'll start what to do. And I've got a fork as well. So what we're going to do, we'll start with the egg. So I'm going to mix it up, make sure everything is mixed. Then we're going to add the creme fraiche to it. Also the cream cheese. And make sure you stir it all properly, no lumps. Right, we've got a creamy mixture. Let's add the sugar to it. Also mix that. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. Right, then we're gonna fill the cups up. You might have the question why I make it for 2 mugs. It's because I used 1 egg, and for 1 mug it's just a little bit too much. So yeah, if you want to do it for 1 mug, use half an egg, and basically you create that by putting 1 whole egg in a bowl, mix that all together and take half of that. But it's easier to use 1 whole egg. I might as well make a recipe for 2 mugs. Right, so that's all done. Let's grab the Oreo. Just break it in there. And then like that. Also the other one. Just divide it a little bit. It looks very nice. Right, we're gonna place it in the microwave. It's about 1.5 minutes. Make sure you check it in between. I do 1.5 minutes on 750 watts. Yeah, depends how big your mug is and depends how much you've got in there. It depends on the cooking time, so please double check. Right, that's all done. It looks really nice. You can eat it warm or you can let it cool down. That's how it looks. And yeah, it's nice and spongy, nice and fluffy mixture with Oreos in it, which is obviously the best part. Yeah, I hope you try this at home. It's a good idea if you like Oreos, trust me. Yeah, give us a comment down below and let me know what you think of the recipe. And we'll see you soon at DIY Ideas. Have a good day and enjoy your Oreo. Bye!